Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, as you know with anything, there's always design improvements. Now, usually the motto is cheaper, better, faster. Well, we can't get much cheaper than free, but we can get better, and I don't know about faster. But all right, so my idea was, let go of that, to take one of these. It's not smoke, it's vapor. Pepe came up with the idea. Pepe and the dinosaur design team. And if you stretch one of those, it doesn't have to be that one. It can be these Workhose lights. If you stretch one over this, look at that. Perfect seal. So there, you could eliminate the glue for that part, right? So now, all we have to do is eliminate glue for this part. And that's pretty easy. You can use friction tape, or I have some aluminum duct tape, metallic aluminum duct tape that's used for air conditioners and stuff like that. So I'll go through the whole process of, we've already got this seal, we've already got the perfect adapter, so all we got to do is pry, I'm going to take this, it's a good one, but where is it? Is it this one? I'm going to take this one and pry it off, show you how to do that, cut this, and slap it together. It's all right. So let's get ready. Let me make sure I got all my tools before I start this. I'll just use electrical tape. I know I got that aluminized metal tape around here somewhere, but that's kind of expensive stuff to use. This will work because we're not going to go high temperature with this. All right. So first thing I want to do is get this ready and make sure we got bandages ready. Yeah, we got bandages ready. All right. And what I usually do is I just start along the seam here. It's not always sealed right there, but sorry. I'm looking through. I'm not looking through the lens. And it's not like screwed in or anything. It's not screwed in, it's glued in. Alright, this is hard to do with through the lens, I'm telling you. And not wind up with an amputation. This is why I say you want to make sure it's plastic, not glass. See, I'm using it as lever. That's why this thing's so good. It's a pretty thick little guy, but you don't need a huge blade. You need a short blade for doing this. Ooh, we're getting somewhere now. I got some leverage on it. I'm not worried about cracking anything else. Be quiet, you. Stop your shattering. I was saying, maybe it is glass. No, it's plastic. It's just they use a lot of that glue in the base. There we go. We're getting somewhere now. And there's your little dome. There's your little circuit board for your LEDs. I don't need that anymore. This is what we need. Now see, I got this like crap here. We're not really worried about that too much. All right, you can use this to start too. Just be careful where your fingers are at and everything else, because plastic, I'm telling you, plastic will get you. All right, we got it started. Now I'm breaking out the scissors just because they're safer for what I'm about to do. Yeah, you could cut it open with a blade, but believe me, I don't need extra opportunities to cut myself. I come up with plenty of them on my own. All right, there's the hole. And like I said, these are pretty good. I'm just following along that little decal there. I'm not following very straight, but that's where the electrical tape comes in handy. Cover up all our mistakes. Uh-oh. You no tapey. Yes, I tapey. You no tapey. You no good. Now, tape, if you've ever done this before, if you go in a circle, it doesn't always adhere quite as properly. Sorry. Can't even tell where I'm at on the camera. Oh! It's pulling too tight. Let me pause this. I'm going to use some super glue. That's my microphone's over here. I'm going to use some super glue to just tack it in place. And then tape it. Because you don't want any, well, I usually don't want any light leaks when I'm doing this. And I'm trying to center it up as much as I can. Oops. You're off camera. I can't see what you're doing. I can't see what I'm doing either. All right, we'll let that dry. It's not drying completely. Not sticking that well. I'm just going to do these in little sections. I think if I would have given this just a little bit more height on this base instead of cutting so close to the rim, I'd have more to work with. Ow! Bang my knuckles against the table.
Alright, your diffuser's looking pretty crappy here. With all this. At least get your line proper. I don't know, maybe the hot glue is better. Well, if you're more precise and do it properly, I can always trim this, at the end. Any of this excess. Get in there with a razor blade and trim it up. What a mess. Hey, when you do things like this, appearance is secondary. Function is primary. The primary thing is, does it work? Then, if it looks good, hey, that's bonus. You get bonus points for that. But it's not required. Alright, pull this guy down a little bit. Trim him off. We're gonna need scissors again. Mr. Scissors. Paging Mr. Scissors. Yeah, this is a...
Again, you know, I'm not trying to do this super fast. I'm just showing you different ways. If you use hot glue, it's pretty quick. You can attach it pretty quick. You know, just... But this part right here gets really hot. And I don't want glue there. So if I would have just done maybe a half and half, you know, like join this section with glue, and then we've already got this right here set up. Now we turn off the lights. Turn off that light, turn off this light, turn off these lights. We got a party going on. Yeah, see, that doesn't look as good. See, this looks better. This, I just, you know, I can take a knife and just trim along right here and improve it. It's attached securely. I like that. I like this thing much better. There you go. Sorry to waste your time once again. Whee! Party, party! The Diffuser Mark II will have a Mark II-A, Mod B, Section 4C. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.